Outlook features you've missed. Turn your inbox into a calendar. Microsoft Outlook is packed with features, some of which are rarely explored. One such hidden gem is the ability to transform your inbox into a calendar-style view, offering a fresh way to manage your emails. Here's how you can do it. Transform your inbox into a calendar view. 1. Access the View tab. Navigate to the View tab in the upper panel of Outlook. 2. Create a new view, click Change View, then select Manage Views. In the Manage Views window, click New to create a custom view. Name your view. Give it a descriptive name like Calendar View. Choose a layout. Select the type of view, day, week, or month. Set the scope. Ensure the view is applied to the specific folder you want to use it on. 3. Apply your custom view. Once created, go back to Change View and select your newly created view. Your inbox will now display emails in a calendar format. How this feature helps. Visual organization. See when emails were received in a day, a week, or month format. Quick access. Double-click any email directly from the calendar to open it. Flexible browsing. Switch between daily, weekly, or monthly views to get a better sense of your email timeline. Why use this feature? For certain scenarios, such as tracking email responses, planning follow-ups, or reviewing email patterns, this view can offer clarity and efficiency that the traditional list view cannot. It's a great way to visualize your inbox in a way that aligns with your workflow. Did you know about this feature?